Hello everyone, Nick Sherrill here with number 2955. When I bought the car in February 2012, the window, passenger side window here, was off track and the motor regulator wouldn't work. I could hear the motor clicking either way, but the window was just stuck. It was off track. It's back on track now, although it doesn't look like it, but it's back on track. The tracks inside are just loose because I've removed the regulator to inspect what was going on, and I just want to show you how I ended up repairing the regulator. So walk inside here to the bench. I pulled the regulator out. Here it is right here. When I pulled this thing out, the plastic was broken. So you can see a piece here and a piece here. Those two pieces go underneath here and go from here up to and bolted in here. You can see right here where it broke off, and it broke there and there. It's important that you replace that, because if you don't have something down here that's plastic or metal or whatever to support that cable under the weight of the window, when you try to push it up, that cable will just come out here and just infinitely come out until it comes all the way out of the tube inside your door. So went to Lowe's for 29 cents a foot, got some new tubing. There's the item number there. You can see I got 5 feet. You never know when you're going to need some other tubing, so it's only 29 cents. Just got 5 feet of it in case mess this up a couple times. And also got some just some stock metal. This is 1/16 inch by 1/2 inch wide. Just drilled a couple holes there, and then underneath these screws here and here. You can see underneath here I just kind of pinched it between the bracket. Also threw a lock washer underneath that bolt there, just to keep it all level. But anyway, the hardest part was drilling out this plastic where it broke in here. You got to be very careful, because if you drill into the plastic teeth of the wheel inside there, then you're going to have to be buying a new one. Also found out with this that that the motor was also locked up. It had been sitting so long, had some condensation, some rust. Took the motor off. There's a screw over here and a screw right here. Just pull the motor off, and there's a plastic piece here. Pull the rotor out. Rotor was all rusty. Inside of here was all rusty, so I just cleaned it out real good. Used some compressed air, cleaned it all out. Took the rotor to the, this video was an afterthought, so I just took a picture of it. Took the rotor over to the wire wheel and cleaned it up. You can see I cleaned up the copper contacts there and the rotor part here. It was all rusty. Also greased it up on the ends with some lipper plate. Anyway, oh, one last thing I forgot to tell you. I ended up cutting just about 1/2 inch off of this. So after I drilled this out, I could put that in and then slide this tube over it. Problem is I think this tubing is metric in size, and it's tough to find metric size tubing, at least at any of your Lowe's or Home Depot or anything. So I just put 1/2 inch in there just so this tubing can go right over it. And then also the cable on the back side here, I pulled that all the way out. There's just a bunch of gunk and dirt. It stuck to the grease over the years, and I took that to the wire wheel as well and cleaned it all up. And a safety tip: they talk about taping the inside of your door panel. That's no joke. Do it. Even though I taped some areas when I was trying to put the window back on track, it's razor sharp, still cut myself. Definitely make sure that you wear some gloves or tape up those areas inside the door panel. And just one last bit here, just for proof of theory before I reinstall it. You can see the end here where the window goes on. Here's a whole contraption. I brought in a little battery and got some wires running to it. So I'm just going to put this on the negative cable. Down she goes. So I'm gonna go install this, and hopefully I have a window regulator that's fixed for under $5. If you got any questions, you can email me or comment below here on the video. Give me a message. I'd be happy to help you out.